Hello CS50, I am Anjushna Bhattacharya from Kolkata, India. This is the demonstration video of my final project. I have built a program in C that helps in the exploration of fractals. This program uses GLFW version 3 to create the window, OpenGL version 3.3 to render the fractals, and the bitmap font, which can be seen here, has been created using Codehead's bitmap font generator tool. We can pan around in a complex plane using the left mouse button. We can zoom in by using the scroll key on the mouse. The iteration count, which is used to generate the fractal, can be increased using the W key and decreased using the S key. The iteration is shown here. If we zoom in far enough, you would see that the resolution of the fractal is very limited. This is due to the precision of the floating point numbers in the GPU. We can also track how the complex numbers move away from the center or the origin. As you can see, the numbers present in the purple region inside the fractal do not run away, or we can also say that they remain close to the origin. If we go out though, they tend to run off. There are some interesting patterns here. That's it. Moving on to the Julia set. It has very similar features to the Mandelbrot set. We can increase the iteration count, we can decrease the iteration count as well. Moving around and scrolling in, scrolling out are the very same. The glowy point feature is still present. It is more interesting now than it was in the Mandelbrot set. We can change how this Julia set looks by changing the C. This can be done by using the right and the left arrow keys to change the real value of C, and the up and down arrow keys to change the imaginary part of C. By using Shift, Control or Alt, you can change the rate at which the values change. Moving on to the burning ship fractal. This is very similar to the Mandelbrot set. This is a self-similarity of fractals. You would see that the iteration count in one fractal does not affect the iteration count in any other fractal. Moving on to our last fractal, it is the Newton-Raphson fractal. This fractal takes a lot of time to render and it is very slow. The FPS takes a huge hit. I think it is due to the slow computations that are happening in the fragment shader. But that is it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a nice day.